Hey there, I'm reviewing the Kizion Initial Necklace, a beautiful piece of jewelry that combines style, personalization, and quality. I appreciate the thoughtful packaging, which makes it an ideal gift. The 14-karat gold plating gives it a lovely shine, and the round letter pendant looks sleek and elegant. The capital monogram design is timeless and makes it a wonderful, personalized gift for yourself or a loved one. The Figaro chain adds a classy touch and feels sturdy without being too heavy. The necklace sits perfectly at the collarbone, making it a great piece for layering with other necklaces or wearing on its own for a minimalist look. It's versatile enough to complement both casual outfits and dressier attire. Highly recommended for anyone looking for a stylish, meaningful, and well-crafted necklace.